So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and now we'll be moving ahead. So in the last video we learned about programming languages and how we classify them into different types, and today we will be diving deep into Java. So we will be writing our first program today, and please do let me know how was the last video, and also after viewing this video please do let me know what else you would like to learn from me. Okay, so today we will be installing JDK. Okay, so I'll teach you how to install it. It's already there on my PC, but I'll teach you how to do it from your end so that you can install the latest Java development kit from the internet. And also we will be working with our first Java program, which will be a hello world program. So I hope you guys will like it. So let's get started. So for the beginning part, I will be writing the code in an online compiler so that you don't have to be in the hassle of installing the installing the JDK to compile your Java code. So that will also be done in the next videos. But for today, I just want you all to get started into the internet world, to the programming world. And so for that, please open any online compiler. So what I prefer, just allow me a moment and let me share my screen. Yeah, so I hope that you can view the screen. So GDB Java compiler is the best one if you want to start with any online compiler. Then GDB is the one that we use. Okay, so as you can see the screen, so the code has already been written, right? So it's a hello world code, hello world code itself. Let us run this. This is a basic code that whenever you start programming with any language, whether it's C, C++ or Java, Python, this is the first thing that you introduce yourself to the world of programming. That is why we write hello world. So this is a very interesting concept, and it's a very basic thing that all the programmers who start away with programming, they start with this code only. So yes, so let's get started. So as you can see that when I run the code, see, it's compiling, and after that it's running, and it's displaying hello world. Okay, so you can see a lot of things going on onto the screen. So I'll explain you everything. So the first one is a class. So the class is a main entity. It's a blueprint in which all the functions and all the elements of the code are listed. Okay, so this is a main this is a class, and the name of the class is main. So when you are coding, you can name anything of the class. Suppose you name the class as human, okay, and or you can name the class anything depending upon it's, if it's an addition program, you can also write add. But since this is an online compiler, so here only main can be mentioned, okay, because this is a class that has already been defined into the system of this compiler. Okay, you can name the class anything. It's mentioned public because the class is public, it can be viewed from anywhere. So these are the access specifiers. We have three types of access specifiers: public, private and protected. So herein it is mentioned public. In the protected one, you can view like other classes, okay, suppose the derived classes. So this is a concept of OOPS, which I'll be explaining you, but just know that in protected, some of the features can be inherited, okay, but in private, only a few of the features can be inherited by the class, okay, by any other class which is inheriting this. Then again, if it's a public class, then this is a function inside the class. This is a main function. There can be multiple functions, but this is a main function through which the coding or the execution of the code starts. So suppose you have multiple functions in one class, but then again the execution will start from the main method itself. Okay, functions are also known as methods. So all the execution will start from the main method, and depending upon which function you are calling, So now let me demonstrate that to you guys. Yes, and also this semicolon. After every statement, you need to enter a semicolon. This marks the end of the statement. Just like in English language, the full stop marks the end of the statement. Similarly, on this programming, the semicolon marks the end of the statement. Okay. So herein, yes, system.out.println, this is the sentence that we use to print anything. Okay, so let me explain to you about that int one, like how to print the variable. Suppose I have mentioned int a is equals to 10. So in that case, if you want to print a, it will simply be system.out.println a. Okay, so now let me just run the code. Yes, so now you can see that I never put a into double quotes. If you put a into double quotes, then a will also be printed. So just let me show you. If you want to print a is equals to 10, so how will you be doing that? So it will be a is equals to sorry sorry so it will be a is equals to, and there will be plus sign. So plus is used to merge two strings. So here, since you want to merge the value of a and a is equals to, this is a string, so since you want to merge these two, that is why you need to use a plus sign. Okay, and suppose if after a you need to get a full stop or a is equals to 10, yeah, after that if you want a full stop, then again there will be a plus sign, and then within double quotes there will be a dot. Okay, so now let's run this. Yeah, so a is equals to 10 dot, and after that hello world. Okay, so yeah, and now let me introduce you to one more concept, that this system.out.println, the ln part, it it shifts the cursor to the next to the next line. So if you mention just system.out.print, that means the cursor will remain on the same line. It won't change its line. So here also, when I run the code, you can see that after hello world also there was an enter. Like, it was so fast, it was not, if you see clearly, you can see that after hello world there was an enter, and after that only program finished with exit code 0 was mentioned. So just let me explain you, let me demonstrate this to you. So if I just mention system.out.print, so in that case what happens? Oh, yeah, so maybe there was some error while I was printing. So you can see it's coming a is equals to 10 dot, after that it's hello world. Although println was here, but after hello world is printed, then the cursor shifted to next line. That means if I print anything after hello world, then it will be printed in the next line. So let me show it to you. System.out.print, and let's say Java is fun. Okay, so in that case you will see that Java is fun will be okay, I forgot to mention the semicolon, so this is why you will get a compilation error if you miss that semicolon part. So see, a is equals to 10, it's printed, it's sopln, sop, it's system.out.print. So in the short form you can say it's system sop, and system.out.println is it's sopln. Okay, so here when it was mentioned SOP, so after that the cursor was now shifted to the next line. So hello world was printed, but since hello world is inside PLN part, okay, SOPLN part, there, that is why the cursor shifted to the next line, and Java is fun is written in SOP. So that means Java is fun will be printed on that line, and after that if there is any other message. And you can suggest me topics, and depending upon that I can, teach you those topics. So I hope it was nice. My camera stopped in between, so I hope I think you'll get a glitch in between. But okay, that's all for today. So have a great day. Bye bye, take care guys.